What's up, guys? I'm Nick Colias. I went to Orland Junior High, giving tours on Sunday. Excited to have you guys.
I'm Bella Flysack. I went to Ulm. I'm excited to show the future RedHawks the Marist Spirit. Come stop by the girls' basketball team.
Hey guys, my name is Matt Harmon. I'm a senior. I went to Most Holy Redeemer, and I'm most excited for you guys to see the fish tank. Come check me out at the NHS table too.
Hi guys, my name's Jane Kohler. I'm a senior. I went to Payless South. I'm super excited to give tours on Sunday to feature RedHawks, and make sure to check out Hal and Tori in the Anatomy Lab.
Hi, my name is Olive Kola and I went to Veterans Memorial Middle School. I'll be giving out tours on Sunday. Make sure to stop by the environmental science table and student council table. Thank you.
What's up, guys? It's Charlie. I went to St. Marist. I'll be giving tours this Sunday.
Hey there, I'm George Kataris. I went to Oakland Hometown Middle School, and I'll be giving tours this Sunday.
My name is Riley Eklund. I went to St. Christina, and I'm super excited to give tours on Sunday.
Hi, my name is Molly Topa. I went to Most Holy Redeemer, and I'm most excited to show off the forensics lab.
Hi, my name is Bridget Winters. I'm a senior. I went to Christ the King, and I'm so excited to give you all tours on Sunday and show off the idea room. Hi, my name is Kate Meehan. I went to St. Alexander. I'll be giving tours on Sunday, and I can't wait to see all of you.
Hi guys, my name is Joey and I'm so excited for you guys to see Marist this Sunday at Open House, and I'm most excited for you guys to see our broadcasting room taught by former Chicago News anchor Susan Carlson.
Hi, my name is Bridget Coogan. I'm a senior. I went to St. Alexander, and I can't wait to give tours to all the future RedHawks on Sunday. I'm Jackie Fitzmaurice. I went to Freedom Martyrs. I'm so excited to give tours on Sunday, and come check out the cheer table.
Hi, I'm Jack Shalaro. I'm a senior here. I went to St. Linus, and I'm excited to show you guys around Sunday.
Hi, I'm Nathan Toth. I'm a senior. I went to Cardinal Meridian. I'm super excited to give tours, and make sure to go check out the Matt team new work on the windows.
Hi, my name is Matthew. I'm a junior here, and I went to St. Michael's School. I'll be giving you guys a tour, and to make sure to check out the cross-country tables.
Hi, I'm Bridget Kennedy. I went to St. Alexander, and I can't wait to show you the anatomy class on Sunday. See you then.
My name is Sanaya Freeman. I went to National Teachers Academy, and I'm excited to show the future RedHawks the new and improved ARC and college career center.
Hi, my name is Tess Lara. I'm a sophomore. I went to St. Linus, and I'll be giving tours on Sunday. Hi, I'm Tess Hernan. I went to Most Holy Redeemer. I'm a sophomore. I'm excited to give tours to all of our future RedHawks. Hi, my name is Ellie Bruton. I went to St. Linus, and I'm really excited to show off the science fair.
Hi, my name is Grace Harmon. I went to Most Holy Redeemer, and I'll be giving tours for Open House, and I can't wait to tell you about our new sports flag. Hi, I'm Mee Benroy. I'm a sophomore. I went to St. Al's, and I'll be giving tours this weekend, and I'm excited to show you guys the science fair.
Hi, my name is Cassidy. I went to St. Barnabas, and I'll be also giving tours on Open House. Come by the track table to learn more information about our track team.
Hi, my name is Taylor. I'm a junior, and I'm super excited to give tours to everyone and show everyone the science fair. Hi, Manny Bolin. I'm a junior. I went to St. Linus, and make sure to stop by the girls' soccer table.
Hi, my name is Molly Berry. I'm a junior. I went to MHR. Make sure to stop by the volleyball table.
It's Achilles Anderson here. I went to New Up in World Academy, and I'm most excited to show my forensics lab. It has a crime scene, and I'll be there this Sunday.
Hi, my name is Molly Murphy. I went to Martino, and I'm most excited to show everyone the idea classrooms. That was definitely my favorite class this year.
My name's Henry. I went to St. Mike's, and I'm going to be giving tours this Sunday for Open House.
What's up, guys? It's Gabe. I went to Casell. Make sure to come to Marist on Sunday and get a tour.